So if you are facing the issue, the game starts in small screen like this. To fix it, close this game. Right click on the game and select open file location and create a command line txt. If it doesn't have, then right click on the blank area and select new and select text document. Name it as command line and press enter. Open the command line txt. Check my video description for this text. Right click on the desktop and select display settings. Display resolution, you can able to see your monitor's resolution. Open the txt. You need to type the width, the first value, and height, the second value. Once you type, copy this text, paste it in command line, and then select file and select save option. And now you can launch the game. Now if game always launch in full screen. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.